family,
baby,
niece, mum, cousin,
son,
home,
saloon, roof, window, balcony,
garden,
fruits, apricot, peach, raisins, grapefruit, coconut, shapes,
star, heart,
diamond, ring,
crescent, verbs, race, sail, pack, call, talk.